Is it safe? You decide whether it's safe to emerge onto the roundabout. Is it safe? Is it safe? Explanation. On the first attempt, this car here has no signal on and is close to the center of the roundabout and continuing to swing around, meaning it is likely to be coming your way, so you must give way to it. On the second attempt, this car has a left signal on, meaning it is exiting the roundabout before you. There are no other cars close behind it, and it is also blocking this car from entering the roundabout, so you have a brief opportunity to emerge. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.